CES, the Consumer Electronics Show, the world's largest technology show that will be held every year in Las Vegas in the month of January. This year too, it's going to be held from tomorrow, the 8th of January, till the 11th of January. CES is an extravagant show where the products, concept and innovation in the field of science and technology from over 4,500 companies from 150 plus countries across the globe will be displayed. It was started way back in 1967 and this is their 52nd year. And this video is our insights and our expectations from CES in 2019. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence, that buzzword which is taking the technology world by storm. From big data analytics to speech recognition, from predictive technology to computational photography, artificial intelligence is absolutely changing the way we do business and how consumers use electronics in real life. CES, or the Consumer Electronics Show, is the place to learn about the latest developments in the field of artificial intelligence and to see how companies are incorporating AI into the aspects of their real-world business. Homes are getting smarter and more efficient, accelerated by smartphones, tablets, and gadgets interacting with the connected objects and devices. From basic security monitoring to smart appliances, lighting, window coverings, irrigation, entertainment systems, and more. In CES 2019, we expect to see the future of smart home technologies. We can expect players like Samsung, Huawei, Honor, LG, and Sony bring in a lot of innovation and AI to their smartphones and wearables and other handheld gadgets in the CES in 2019. We saw a lot of gadgets last year and we hope to do the same this year too. Google is expected to power their assistant lineup by partnering with companies and showcasing their software capabilities. Technology is putting healthcare directly into the hands of customers. From remote monitoring products to wearables to diagnostic solutions, healthcare industry is embracing new tools and technologies to enhance the patient experience. See the future of healthcare and technology at CES like remote monitoring products, wearables, diagnostic solutions, new technology that shape today's revolutionary healthcare. From Fitbit to Philips, CES is the only venue where entire digital ecosystem comes together. We can expect top television makers like Samsung, LG, Sony bring in a lot of 8K television with more HDR plus capabilities, smart TVs, voice control television sets, micro LED TVs, OLED TVs, curved LED TVs, and this time around Samsung is expected to come with a 219-inch 8K television. LG has already shown off some specs of its next-gen 4K OLED systems, and perhaps they could also bring out their rollable LED TV on the show. Gaming is one highlight throughout the CES show floor. We can expect a lot of companies coming up with latest and greatest in the field of gaming hardware, software, and accessories designed especially for mobile, PC, and consoles that make gaming more real-time and an immersive experience. We can see head-mounted displays, haptics, hand and eye coordination, motion tracking systems, 360-degree video systems, directional sound, and software systems for gaming. Drones, automobiles, and robots. Las Vegas will literally look like a turbocharged Detroit when it comes to the vehicle technology at CES. CES is the center of making cars safer and drivers more connected. Computers, sensors, and software in the cars are getting so smart that they may eventually detect whether the driver and passengers are happy or sad or comfortable or alert or distracted. We can see a host of flying taxis, self driving cars, water taxis, drones, automobiles from a host of manufacturers at CES 2019. Stay tuned to us for our exclusive coverage of CES 2019.